All right, guys, we're in the 2026 interior. Kind of wanted to show this off. I got Trevor actually here with me. He's gonna kind of talk things over, but got a little bit of a carbon fiber happening here with these buttons. We're gonna go over all of it. Look at that, the stealth package. Good? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start this thing up. Is that, yeah, that's on.
It's off.
Yeah. So wow, look at that.
This display has all your information. Probably the most exciting part is this part. So you've got all the gauge cards that you can swipe up and down to pick what you want. So you can have 3 gauge cards across here. This is where your timer is, data is. Obviously we're not doing anything at the moment, so I won't show any data. And your gauges, so power, torque,
Yeah.
G-force. In an E-Ray or a Z1X, this changes to show a dynamic vehicle showing where torque's applied. So it will light up green or orange for whether it's regen or providing power, and this will become a front axle power and torque, and this will become a rear axle power and torque. And then a Z1X, you'd add the boost on that too, or a Z1, there'd be a boost gauge on here as well.
Okay.
So this is pretty cool, this app right here. Otherwise, this is your normal, has all your other apps, you know, navigation, maps.
So this actually looks similar to my wife's Lyric.
Yes, it is. Yep. I'm glad you recognise that because it is very similar. It's the same VCU system. We call it a VCU system. Virtual cockpit.
I do see what you're talking about the screen though. The blacks are black. Like really nice quality graphics there.
Is it an OLED screen?
I asked the same thing.
Oh, okay.
It's not.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean the dash in here, super high quality looking. And then over here, this is of course touchscreen as well.
Yeah.
And so we're
that's in launch control. So if you hit the bottom 3 lines on the left, that will get you to the menu. If you hit layout, that will set up your cluster layout. So you're in track.
and track,
right now.
sport. Look at that, tour. Oof, these react a lot faster too, guys. I mean, I was wondering about that, how it was going to be sensitivity, like reaction
So
time.
you can, in sport and track, like I can just do one for you. And send a card over to that cluster. So these cards are all here. So you've got engine output there. Probably click on that. Send add to driver display.
Yep, and then it changes.
So you can pick which 3 cards are here, which one's there, and you also have one on that outboard display.
That looks really nice. I'm liking this a lot.
So if
the
performance there,
yeah.
then you'll end up with gauge cards there too that you can swipe sideways to.
Really, this is like a cell phone now. It feels like super responsive.
All right.
I like that a lot.
Yeah.
I was wondering about how it was going to be responsive-wise.
Feel the same as far as the touch there.
Over here? Yeah, as far as like speedy, you mean? Yeah, it responds way faster than the current setup. I like that a lot. Way faster. This is what it should have been. I like this a lot. Now, I have a question about the auto stop start over here. We're in a Z06.
Yep.
So I thought that wasn't happening on the Z06.
Sorry?
The auto start stop?
It's not.
It's not. Okay, so this is maybe pre-production?
Yeah.
Okay.
These are pre-production.
All right, so he's saying this will not be there for the Z06 or ZR1. It should just be
Correct.
the ZR1X and the E-Ray.
Correct.
Okay. All right, so pre-production, but as long as it stays snappy like this, I'm happy with what I'm seeing. This is really nice.
Yeah, those
Now,
buttons on the left there are on off, so that's to turn your lane keep system on and off.
yeah, lane keep,
That's what
or lane keep, and then this is the alarm.
intrusion.
Yeah,
exactly.
very nice. I like this a lot. And then this button here looks like it's for the front camera.
That's front camera.
So if I hit that, it obviously brings up the front camera.
Yep.
And then this one is the...
That's your front lift.
That's the front lift.
And this is your ride mode switch.
Ride mode selector. Okay, so let's
That'd be
go.
worth checking out too in videoing because
This.
there's pretty cool animations that come up on it.
Oh, and we get a sound now too. Do I hear a sound?
Yeah,
Oh no,
the exhaust.
the exhaust just opened. Okay. And then track. Again, much more responsive when you change it. I like that a lot. It's real snappy.
Graphics are cool too.
Sport, tour. We have weather. Nope, my mode.
And then weather.
Then weather. So much more snappy. When I'm hitting these are happening almost immediately. I really like that a lot. So I'm wondering, is pre-production that these, or will these light up if we turn on the headlights?
That does light up.
That will light up but not in this
at
car.
night. At night, that will light up.
Okay. So those buttons will light, because I could barely see what that said
Yep.
without it lighting up. Now, question. You may not know the answer, of course. This is stealth. Why didn't you guys do this in stealth?
So this ETRS only comes like this. This actually now does not. When you get this package, this is pre-production.
Yeah.
So not all of it is exactly the same. But when you say stealth, you mean the beta chrome?
Yeah.
We call it beta chrome.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But
So that's not going to be called
agree
stealth
with you.
anymore?
These match. This is called beta chrome.
So you're not going to call it stealth?
I guess you could call it a stealth package.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So this, you're saying this will be the color of this,
Yes.
or the other way around?
No, that will be the same color.
Like a silver?
Yeah.
Okay, but this will still be
That will
darker?
still be beta.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and I noticed the start button looks like a little bit darker too. Yeah, it is. That looks a little darker than the normal start button.
I don't think we changed that.
No?
So it might just be the
Might just
in
be
this
the
car
lighting?
and in the
Okay.
lighting in here. But
Because we do have the stealth package here and here. Or no, that's carbon. But yeah, that's
yeah, so
very
this
cool.
has the FA5 package, so the carbon here, the carbon here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
And then you get the FA6 where this portion of it is carbon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So, and do we light up in here?
Yes, that lights up.
And any way to do that now, or is that not going to work?
Maybe.
I got to cover that up.
I hope that's something you can turn off.
Maybe it's maybe the dial is turned down. No, not there. Underneath there's a dial that turned the
Nope. No, it's not lighting up. But that would normally light up.
Yep.
And does it light up just one single color?
One single color.
Just-
That matches harmony of the rest of the car, like a white.
White. Okay. All right, that's really cool.
Yeah, so that lights up just underneath here.
Oh, underneath, not the emblem down
Not
there.
the base. Yeah.
Okay,
it's
just
a,
underneath.
It's a ring around.
Ring around
underneath
there.
the chrome piece.
Awesome.
USB-C port on the passenger on right above the grab handle.
Yeah, right around in here somewhere. USB-C.
Oh yeah, right here.
Yep, right there. So that's cool. And do we still have a USB-C in here then too?
Yes, both.
Both in there. Okay. I like this a lot. I really didn't think I was going to like this, and I really like the way that looks, though, 'cause especially without the lights on. If I turn off the lights, or maybe it's just when you shut off the car, these LEDs turn off, and this just looks like a blank slate. I really like that. You guys did a great job with this. I was iffy because I like the current interior, and everybody keeps asking me, do you like the 25 or the 26 interior? And I'm like, I like both. I think they're both pretty cool, but this is really feels more updated than I thought it would. I really like that a lot. So, yeah, there you have it, guys. I mean, again, just for, experience here on the screen, you can see how quick this reacts. And I mean, really, really fast to react to anything that I'm pushing. And of course, if we go into something where I can scroll, yeah, there we go. Like, look how fast that scrolls. I like that a lot. I think that's going to make a huge difference in the experience of this. Really nice. Well, Trevor, I appreciate your time, man. I really appreciate that. Let's shut this thing off and get back to it. So there's what it looks like once the lights are off. It's kind of like super stealth. Anyway, guys, that is the 2026 interior kind of update. Big thank you to Trevor for taking the time with me. Really nice guy, and he really took the time to kind of show all that off. So that's it. If you liked what you saw, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't, and as always, stay obsessed.